Chapter 7 Formulae in MS Excel 2016. This chapter includes simple formulae, operators in MS Excel, arithmetic operators, comparison operators, reference operators, text formula, basic arithmetic formula, operator precedence, autosum feature, average with autosum. In Microsoft Excel, you can enter numbers and can perform mathematical calculations on those numbers. To perform calculations, we write a formula. Like in mathematics, formulas in Excel consist of operators and operands. Simple formula. The given points must be followed while writing a simple formula. A formula must begin with an equal to sign. It must include an operator which actually instructs what operation has to be performed. Formula can include either values or cell address. For example, is equal to A3 plus B6. In the above formula, operator used is plus. Cell address are used as operands. Is equal to 12 minus 5. In the formula, operator used is minus. Values are used as operands. The moment you press enter, the result of the operations is shown in the same cell where formula is written. Operation would be done on the contents of the cells whose address are used in the formula. Whenever you click on the cell that contains the formula box would show the formula you used on it. Operators in MS Excel. Operators specify the type of calculation that you want to perform on the elements of a formula. There is a default order in which calculations occur. There are three types of calculation operators: arithmetic, comparison, and reference. Arithmetic operators. These operators perform basic mathematical operations. They are arithmetic operator, meaning plus sign, addition, minus sign, subtraction, negation, asterisk, multiplication, forward slash, division, percent sign, percent, caret, exponentiation. Comparison operators. You can compare two values with the following operators. When two values are compared by using these operators, the result is a logical value, either true or false. Comparison operator, meaning example. Equal sign, equal to, A1 is equal to B1. Greater than sign, greater than, A1 is greater than B1. Less than sign, less than, A1 is less than B1. Greater than or equal to sign, greater than or equal to, A1 is greater than equal to B1. Less than or equal to sign, less than or equal to, A1 is less than equal to B1. Not equal to sign, not equal to, A1 is not equal to B1. Reference operators. These operations are used to combine the values. Reference operator, meaning example. Colon, range operator, which produces one reference to all the cells between two references, including the two references B5 to B15, comma, union operator, which combines multiple references into one reference, sum, B5 to B15, comma, D5 to D15. Space, intersection operator, which produces one reference to cells common to the two references, B7 to D7, C6 to C8. Text formula. Just like numbers, formulas can also be applied to text values. Like another formula, a text formula also starts with an equal to sign, and each text should be within double quotes. If two words are to be written, put ampersand between them. For example, computer and textbook. The result would be computer textbook. Common error results. Sometimes errors are displayed in the working cells or the formula bar in place of the results. A list of some common errors displayed in MS Excel and their possible reasons are as below. Width of the column is not enough for the value to be displayed. The data is unavailable. The operations given is invalid. Division by 0 is invalid. The text is not recognized. Cell reference given is invalid. Ranges do not intersect, or the user is using an invalid range operator. Writing basic arithmetic formula. Let us consider the following worksheet. To write a formula to find sum of the values given in cell A1, A2 and A3. Step 1. In cell A4, type equals to. Step 2. Then click on cell A1. A dashed border called mark will appear around cell A1 and address A1 will appear in cell A4. Step 3. Type plus, then click on A2. Step 4. Type plus and then click on A3. You will see the formula in the cell A4 will be is equal to A1 plus A2 plus A3. In the formula bar, also the formula will be shown. Step 5. Press enter. Step 6. Now you will see that result 27 will appear in cell A4. Functions in Excel. Functions are predefined formulas. They are inbuilt formulas of Excel. An Excel function starts with an equal to sign, followed by function name, then arguments or parameters of the function enclosed in brackets. The argument or parameter can be either a value or a cell address. Structure of function. Function name, argument 1, argument 2, and so on. Let us work with some simple Excel functions. Sum. Sum is used to add cell contents. To find sum of 10, 2 and 5 is equal to sum 10, 2, 5. Output will be 17. Using cell address inside sum function is equal to sum A3, B2, C4. It finds sum of values written in cell A3, B2, C4. Writing formulas using cell range. To add contents of a range of cells A1 to A10. Step 1. In cell A11, type is equal to sum. Step 2. Click on the first cell A1, press the left mouse button and drag it down till cell A10 to select cell A1 to A10. Step 3. Close the bracket. You will see formula written is equal to sum A1 is to A10. The formula will also be shown in the formula bar. Step 4. Press enter to see the result. Average. It is used to calculate the average of given values. Is equal to average 10, 20, 30, 40. For a range of cells is equal to average A1 is to A5. Max. To find maximum or greatest value in the given range is equal to max 7, 5, 6, 4. Output 7 is equal to max D2, E2, F2. For a range of cells is equal to max D1 is to D4. This would give you the maximum value from those of the referred cells. Min. To find lowest value or minimum of the given values is equal to min 56, 78, 8, 3. Output 3. For a range is equal to min A1 is to A4. This would give you the minimum value from those of the referred cells. Operator precedence. Like in mathematics, MS Excel too performs the operations or calculations based on ranking. In mathematics, we use BODMAS rule, which stands for bracket, orders, division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. This implies that any calculation will first perform the operations within the bracket and then would take up the division and would perform subtraction at the end. Similarly, MS Excel 2 has a list according to which it has listed the operations as per the priority. The order is as below. Operator, meaning, example, colon, single space, comma, reference operators, negation as in 1, percent, exponentiation, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction, connects two strings of text, concatenation, comparison. Auto-sum feature. The auto-sum feature automatically gives desired results in the selected cells. One can use it to find sum, average, count numbers, maximum, minimum, etc. Addition with auto-sum feature. Consider the table where marks in Semester 1 and Semester 2 are given for the students. Now, to find total marks, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select cell D2 and click Auto-Sum in the Editing group of Home tab. Step 2. A moving dotted line, marquee, surrounds the cells B2, C2. Step 3. Click the Auto-Sum button again or press Enter to see the results. To get the total of all the players, follow the step. Select the cell D2, point the cursor at the fill handle and drag it to D5 by keeping the left mouse button pressed. Release the button and see the results. Let's discuss some functions of AutoSum feature. Average with AutoSum. To get the average marks of each student, follow the given steps. Step 1. Click cell E2. Step 2. Click Average from AutoSum drop-down list. Step 3. By default, computer has selected the range B2 is to D2 in the formula. We need to correct it manually and change it to B2 is to C2. You will get the average for one student. Place your cursor on the fill handle at the lower right corner of cell E2 and drag it till E5 to get average for other students also. Note, we don't want to include the number written in cell D2 since it is the total of B2 and C2. Similarly, you can use other functions in AutoSum like min, max, count numbers, etc. Recap. MS Excel allows you to perform mathematical operations. Every formula in MS Excel starts with an equal to sign. Operators specify the type of calculation that you want to perform on the elements of a formula. There are three different types of calculation operators: arithmetic, comparison, and reference. If two words are to be written in a text formula, put ampersand between them. MS Excel follows order of precedence, according to which it has listed the operations as per the priority.